Welcome to Angular in 5 minutes. I'm Gabriel George.
I'm Thiago Passos.
And today we're going to talk about Bootstrap. So, Bootstrap is a front-end component library that we can use to style our application.
And for a developer, that's the easiest way to get an application look nice without needing to be a designer.
True. And even designers use Bootstrap.
Which is pretty cool.
Very cool. So, Thiago, how do we install Bootstrap?
Alright, so there are a few ways to implement Bootstrap, especially in an Angular application, right? The two basic ways are either using npm install or using cdn.
Alright.
For an Angular application, the recommended way is using npm install. Okay, so let's have a look at that. So right now, I've got my application here, just using the JSON placeholder to list all the posts. You can see it's very ugly. And what we're going to do is we're going to do an npm install Bootstrap. So we're going to bring the Bootstrap module into our node modules.
All right, then we can use it.
Then we can reference into our application.
Cool. So while waiting to commemorate this event of implementing Bootstrap, both of us cut our hair.
Unfortunately, we couldn't record this video in the saloon itself.
Yeah, we were thinking about that.
Here we go. All right, so we've got Bootstrap installed, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to bring that CSS into our styles in angular.json.
All right.
Okay, so I'm going to bring here the node modules. So I'm going to find Bootstrap here in this ocean of modules. We've got Bootstrap min, so that's what I want, and I'm going to copy the path. All right, so now that I have this the path, I'm just going to paste the path into the styles array here, so it can be used in our application.
So it will be used globally then?
Yes, that's it. So anything that's in the styles array here is going to be used globally.
Awesome.
Okay, so I'm going to remove parts of the path, and I'm going to replace the backslash //
Awesome.
So that's pretty much all you need to do to make your application look nicer. Obviously, we changed the HTML to use some of the Bootstrap CSS classes.
Yeah.
But as soon as we implement that, then you're going to see the huge difference it's going to make.
All right. And now, because we add that styles in angular.json, does it mean that we have to rerun our application?
We do, unfortunately. We do need to stop the application and run again.
All right.
So anything that we change in the modules and the components, we don't need to rebuild the application.
Yeah.
But in this case, we do need to stop and run again.
All right.
All right, so let me bring that up here. I'm going to stop the application, and then I'm going to do ng-serve again. And you're going to see in the left-hand side, as soon as it finishes compiling, the huge difference it's going to make.
Sweet.
So one thing to mention is Bootstrap is a 12-base grid system, which is also responsive. So you can see the application already looks much nicer than it was before. And you can see, I'm gonna just stretch the screen a little bit, and you can see that's fully responsive. So we've got the menu there. So if I full screen, you can see that top navigation is quite different, and also the footer is very different.
Yeah.
Okay. So just out of the box, you've got Bootstrap referenced, and your application looks nicer.
That's awesome. So thanks for watching this episode of Angular in 5 minutes. Hope you enjoyed that.
If you like that video, please press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Cheers.